Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to open your BMW 1 Series boot from the inside. Begin by ensuring your vehicle is safely parked and the ignition is completely off. Next, you will need to access the rear passenger compartment. Once inside, carefully fold down the rear seats. This action creates the necessary opening, allowing you to reach into the boot area and proceed with the next steps for manual release. Once you have folded down the rear seats, carefully crawl into the boot area to get a clear view of the latch mechanism. You are looking for the main boot latch assembly, which is typically located on the inside of the boot lid. On this assembly, you will find a small, distinct emergency release lever or a plastic tab. This crucial mechanism is usually positioned on the right-hand side of the latch itself. To operate the emergency release, you will need a small, thin tool, such as a flathead screwdriver or even a sturdy pen. Carefully insert the tip of your tool into the designated slot or against the small plastic tab on the latch mechanism. With a gentle but firm motion, push this lever or tab towards the right-hand side. Applying consistent pressure in this specific direction will effectively disengage the boot lock, allowing the boot lid to open. Remember, this emergency release is a purely mechanical override, designed to function even if your car's battery is completely dead. It is always a good idea to keep a small, thin tool, like a screwdriver, readily accessible in your glove compartment. Familiarizing yourself with this procedure beforehand can save significant time and frustration during an actual emergency. Finally, always ensure that no items in your boot obstruct the latch or prevent the rear seats from folding down properly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.